I'm just gonna show you all what's in the box. These are wrapped in matte black now. 2 screws and that's it. Yo, what's good my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys another video. Just gonna do a quick install and unboxing of some universal rear bumper lips or canards, splitters. I call it a rear bumper splitter, but it's here in this box. Something you can get, it's a universal part you can get off eBay, Amazon, as majority of the aero stuff that I've done on the car you can get off of. Gonna wrap it in vinyl and get it installed. Pretty much I had the rear mudguards installed after the rear diffuser. The rear mudguards, even though it's an OEM part, was just a little too much for me, so I think these rear canards or rear splitter is gonna be the sweet spot, and then we'll add the red pinstriping and make it look real nice. So without further ado, let's get this box open and get it installed. Let's go. All right, my peoples. So I've already unboxed this previously, so I'm just gonna show you all what's in the box. I haven't installed it. Looks like some self-trapping screws or some wood screws, not really sure. Not gonna use them. Gonna use a nut and bolt. Here they are. So they come gloss black. I haven't been able to find any in matte black, which is why I am gonna wrap them in matte black. Here are the canards. Like I said, they're a little scratched because I, again, been messing with them, but they come brand new mint and gloss black painted. A little flimsy, but we'll add some 3M tape. We'll do two bolts, nut and bolts, and everything should be sturdy. For hardware, gonna use stainless just because it's going on the underside of the car. Don't want it to rust with the salt water, etc. And that's pretty much it, my peoples. And lastly, we'll add the red pinstripe after we wrap it in matte black. So let's go ahead and start wrapping this real quick. Go get the blow dryer and get it done. All right, my people, so these are wrapped in matte black now. These little bubbles will go away with the sun. And yeah, let's get these installed, and then once it's installed, we'll add the pinstripes. Gonna install the passenger side first. Gonna use one existing bolt hole, and then we're gonna have to drill into the bumper. So we're gonna use this one right here. One. And then we'll probably have to drill somewhere in here. So we're gonna clean this up, and then we'll drill and use a 3M tape and two screws, and that's it. Here you can kind of see the diffuser. Check out that video if you haven't already. All right, my peoples. So let me show you how to get the light. You got one bolt in there. So then we're gonna already drilled through, gonna mark that one and drill it out, and then we'll take it off, add the 3M tape, and we'll be good. All right, now for this side, the passenger side, of course, a pain in the ass. I gotta take off the this side of the rear diffuser, and then I'll have access to the inside of the bumper to put the nut and the bolt through. You also got to shave this tab down on both sides, just a heads up. Just hit it with the Dremel tool and shave it down. It's plastic, sand it down, whatever. So that way your side spat sits flush. But yep, I'm gonna clean this up and take the diffuser, this side of the diffuser off, and we'll get it installed. Let's go.
Alright, my people, so real quick, the passenger side is on. I mean, the passenger, and got the two bolts underneath. Had to take off the right side of the diffuser, but the reason you need double-sided tape, this is just the mock-up, is because even if I tighten this all the way, it'll stiffen up, but it's still a little bit flimsy, so I need some double-sided tape in here. So just a heads up on that. I mean, it's a $20 piece. I think it's like $15 for this for the pair, so you can't really expect too much. It's not like it's made out of carbon fiber or anything like that. So, but for 20 bucks, bro, it's looking good. You can trim this here and cut it off if you need to. I kind of like it. Once we're all done and everything's stiff and everything, we'll add the red pinstriping. So yeah. All right, so we got the double-sided tape, roll of 3M here, and yeah, let's get it installed. Cut it in half, so that way I use half on this, half on the other side. Let's get it. Alright, so everything's installed. Pinstriping was kind of a pain in the ass, but that knifeless tape definitely helps. Side skirt's coming up next. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for more pictures and video. At the end of the video, I'll take some additional video in the daytime so y'all can see and make your decision on if you like it or not. Alright, my people, so that's pretty much it for the rear bumper splitter install. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for additional mods, which is coming with side skirts and some additional stuff. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is OEM Mudguards checking out.